Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with Brandon's Garage, and today I am swapping out my headlights from the stock headlights to some new LED lights. And this is really just an instructional video. I'm going to be going through. I'm going to tell you what tools I used, and also I'll be leaving some links in the description below for all the tools I used and the parts that I used. So that is going to be there for your convenience. But right now, I am loosening the 10mm bolt that holds the this left side of the bumper together, and then you're going to have two more, and then a third one actually that I'm going to come back to right beneath the headlamp that you're going to need to remove. There are also these 2 to 3 10mm bolts that are at the top, and one there, and then you have one at the top there. They're kind of easier to locate, so I'm not really going to show it in the video. So once you loosen up all these bolts, you should be able to remove the headlamp, and then what you're going to want to do is see on this headlamp actually the light is in the wrong place, just so you know that going forward through the video. When I had initially done a replacement on this, I put it in the wrong spot. So these are the LED lights that I'm going to be using, and I am very happy with them after using these lights for about 2 weeks now. They're very good quality, and they really do shine a lot brighter, so you're able to see when you're driving, and they look really good, and you'll see that at the end of the video. Like I said in the beginning, there will be a link in the description below for these LED lights. So make sure you do locate exactly where you are actually replacing this LED light, because you could get confused with the high beams, and that's actually the one that I'm installing it in now. That is incorrect. That is the high beam. You can get new bulbs for that, but this is not the correct way. However, installing it is going to be similar to this. So just make sure you find the right compartment and remove the old light bulb and place in your new LED. Test it along the way so that you know exactly what's happening. Make sure that you don't have the high beams on. Maybe just make sure you have your regular lights, because in this case the high beams and the regular light bulb is on, which is what confused me. Now I don't know, you might want the LED with the high beams, but I didn't. I wanted it as, and I'm sure you do too, you want it in the regular spot, so that when you're shining your lights regularly on a daily basis, it's these LED lights. And if you have high beams, you can swap those out, I believe, for LEDs too. But really the stock ones are fine in my opinion, but that's really up to you. So these are my high beams that are on with the regular headlamps. So that's why it's so bright, but you kind of can't tell. If you were to install these in your as high beams, this is how it would look. Okay, so this is the final result with the LED lights installed. I do really love how they look. It makes the car look a lot newer. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure to like. And this is a new channel, so your subscriptions and you clicking on the links below does really help the channel. But that's really all I have for today. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.